In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy the Binance coin on Etoro. So this is actually super easy. The first thing you want to do is log into your Etoro account and you'll be on a page like this. Okay, the next step is you want to go to the left panel right here and go to trade markets under discover. Okay, when you do that, you get to this page, and here you can see all the different types of investments you can do in eToro. So in order to do Binance coin, we want to do crypto. So when we open crypto, this comes up, all the different and available cryptocurrencies that are available on eToro, right? So then you want to find Binance, and here it is, Binance coin. You can go ahead and open it, and then it comes up like this, and here we can start trading this coin. So we can read some information about it, we can do a comment, like anything you want to do on this page, you can do it. So you want to go to trade, and for me it's not available because I have no balance, but you can just go ahead and buy it from here as well. If you go back, we can just hit buy. So I have a network error, I'm very sorry, but just hit buy, enter in the amount you want to buy, and then hit yes or hit accept, and it will be done. Like, it's very straightforward. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.